Welcome to the assembly video for the Alvin Saturn drawing table. To assemble this table, you will need a screwdriver, key, and a drill. We recommend opening the box and making sure you have all the parts before beginning assembly. A. The frame. B. 2 base pipes. C. 4 handles, 2 long and 2 short. D. 10 small screws. E. 6 bolts. F. 4 rubber feet. G. Accessories tray. H. Drawing board tabletop. Let's begin. Step 1. We're going to attach the frame to the 2 base pipes. Flip the frame over and align the base pipes with the open end of the frame legs. Make sure the longer part of the base pipe is pointed towards the front of the desk. The legs act as a counterbalance to the weight of the drawing board. Attach the base pipes with the 4 bolts and tighten. Step 2. Install the rubber feet levelers. These will just screw into the bottom of the base pipes. Feel free to screw them in all the way. Step 3. Now we attach the accessories tray to the frame using 4 screws. Step 4. Attaching the adjustment handles to the frame. The Saturn table has 2 pivot points. The first allows you to adjust the table height, while the second allows for angular adjustment of the drawing surface. The handles attach with a nut and a bolt. Place the 2 longer handles on the same side of the table, the right side. The 2 shorter handles go on the other side, the left side. Now, to dial the handles in, rotate the small handles on the left side in a clockwise direction. While doing that, hold the long handle on the right side firmly. Once the table hands are locked in firmly, use the long handle to engage movement. These handles work much like a bicycle cam lock. You extend the long handle 90 degrees. This will release the pressure and allow the table frame to pivot. Step 5. Now we need to attach the drawing board top to our assembled frame. Place the drawing board face down on the ground. Always put down cardboard or a blanket to protect the surface. Place the fully assembled frame onto the drawing board top. Center the frame. You want to make sure you have equal distance on either side and then mark the holes. We're going to drill small starter holes where you made your marks. Be careful not to go too deep with the drill bit. 1/4 of an inch is about the depth of a pencil's body. Step 6. Now attach the drawing board top with 6 of the screws. Carefully turn your table over and enjoy. Thanks for watching our video.